Number 1 barbell curl primarily focus on the bicep brachii and also engage the brachialis and brachiodialis muscle. Stand straight with your feet shoulder width apart and hold the barbell with an underhand grip slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keeping hands straight and elbow close to the body, curl the barbell toward your chest will engage the bicep. Then bringing it to the starting position with control form and then stretch the bicep muscle. Without jerking the body, do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions while controlling the speed. One arm dumbbell preacher curl. Performing with the one hand, maintain your mind and muscle connection and allow you to isolate the bicep muscle faster. First of all, adjust the seat of the preacher curl bench according to your height and sit on the bench with the lightweight dumbbell in one hand, keeping your upper arm stable on the pad of the bench. Whenever you curl the dumbbell upward and hold it for 1 second, squeeze your bicep muscle. Then stretch the bicep muscle by taking the dumbbell to the starting position. Maintaining the same form, do it with the other hand also. Do 4 sets and 12 to 15 repetitions with both hands. Number 3 alternating dumbbell curl. Work the same muscle as the barbell curl. Holding a lightweight dumbbell in both hands, stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Keeping the hands forward and the elbow close to the body, curl the dumbbell with alternating hand toward the shoulder, squeeze the bicep muscle. Then bring in the dumbbell to the starting position with control speed and do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 4 reverse grip barbell curl. Primarily target the brachiodialis muscle on the top of your forearms and also engage the bicep brachii and brachialis muscle. In this your form will be remain the same as in a barbell curl, but in this you have to hold the barbell with the reverse grip hand equally to shoulder width. Selecting a lightweight plate and squeeze the forearms muscle whenever you lift the barbell toward your chest and hold it for 1 to 2 seconds and then slowly bringing it to the starting position. During this entire movement, keep your upper arm stable and elbow close to the body. Do 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions. Number 5 crossbody dumbbell hammer curl. Focus on the brachialis, brachiodialis and outer head of the bicep brachii. Stand straight holding a dumbbell in both hands with the neutral grip. Then curl the one dumbbell diagonally cross body toward the opposite shoulder with your pelvis facing inward. Lower the dumbbell back to the starting position and repeat with the other arms. You can also perform regular dumbbell hammer curl. Perform 4 sets and 10 to 12 repetitions.